everybody, it's your girl Anora. I am so happy talking with you guys today. I want to thank you guys for all the like, the comment, the share on my channel, and for the new subscriber. Thank you guys so very much for tuning into my channel. I really do appreciate each and every one of you out there. So guys, on today's video, a friend hits me up and asked me, Anora, how do I know if he loves me? I was like, girl, how do you know if he loves you? So this video we will be talking about how to know if your guy loves you or not. So I will start by asking this question: do you love yourself? Yeah, I will ask you, do you really love yourself? Because if you love yourself, you're not gonna have difficulties finding out if your partner loves you, okay? And I will tell you, if you love yourself, you will never let anybody try to treat you less. You will not let anybody try to make you just a second option. And if you love yourself, you won't let anybody try to make you unhappy. Now, when you're with the wrong person, definitely and obviously you will always be unhappy, and when you're unhappy, it definitely means he does not love you, my dear. So that is how you take to figure out if your partner really loves you or not. So how then can you be asking, how then do I know if he loves me or not? My dear, if you're always unhappy in that relationship, that obviously means that person is not loving you the way you want to be loved. Because I will tell you, someone who really loves you will never want to see you unhappy. Someone who truly loves you will cherish everything you do, like will cherish your dreams and your vision. Like the person will try to always be with you. Anything you do, he always try to support you, to give you encouraging words, like to always be there for you. I will tell you, are you with someone who does not value your dreams, like the things you want to achieve in life? He does not value that, my dear. And when you're with the wrong person, you're definitely gonna figure it out why that person cannot understand with you whenever there's something to discuss. Come in life, you always have those misunderstandings, but it depends on how you guys try to manage it out. But if you're with that person that does not don't want to see reasons with you, my dear, that is not the right man for you. So I will tell you, if you love yourself, it won't be so difficult for you to figure it out if he really loves you or not. So many girls out there, they will start by saying that, oh my god, he stopped picking my calls, he has not been chatting me for a week, for a month or so. My dear, a guy who really loves you will not go a day without not checking how you're doing. So if your guy is that person who go ahead and stay for a month and comes and chat you up, girl, he is not the right person for you. That is one thing you should know, okay? If a guy even like try to stay a week without not communicating with me, I just try my best to just like give a step behind, just give a step behind, because no, you cannot go a week without not talking to me. How will you say you love me and you go a week without not talking to me? No, I have to give a step down, okay? Step down to that relationship. So girl, you guys need to be wise. So stop telling yourself, my guy stopped picking my call, my guy stopped texting me, I've not been talking with him for almost a month. Hello, if you're with someone who stay for a month without no communication, who can go a month without talking to you, and if they find out you so much do love them and cherish them, they'll be happy that you're crying and dying for them. Girls, you need to shine your eyes, you need to be wise, okay? Don't ask yourself, how do you know your guy loves you? It's all there. You're into the relationship, you know what you're going through, you know how he treats you, okay? Do not let him treat you less. Maybe you try to text them, and when you text them they are not replying, you'll be like crying and they'll be like happy. If you text a guy and a guy does not reply you, he saw your message, he does not reply you, girl, it's time to say goodbye to that freaking relationship, okay? I don't just mean when you text him once and he does not reply. At times we can be busy with doing one or two things, but when it happens over and over, girl, I tell you, it's time to give a step down, okay? For one, I always give a step down. When it happens again, I give another step. Tell you to try your best to see if a man really do loves you. You will see it in his actions. You want to know if a man loves you. Does he value your dream? But if a man loves you, a man will always try to support you, to support everything you do. What's your dream? Like if you're someone who loves singing, you're someone who loves writing, you're someone who loves makeup, and you're someone who loves let me say like dancing and all the rest, you understand, like he's trying to support you instead of like trying to stop you to focus on your dream. My girl, that's not the right person. Okay, that is not the right person to stick with. I will tell you that is not the right person. So that is just how you're going to figure it out in your own relationship. So I won't be here taking so much of your time out there. I will just tell you, because don't say because a man calls you 100 times a day, a man texts you 100 times a day, because he buy you roses, he buys you this, that really means he loves you. No, my dear, I won't say that you should expect that from a man that really loves you. No, because some of them will always just buy that, but for real, they don't really love you. So any man can call you 20 times and call another girl 50 times. You won't know, my dear, you won't know. And buy you a rose flower and buy someone 50 rose flowers, you won't definitely know. My dear, I will tell you, some men say when they are playing their games here, you cannot meet up with them because they will play it well in a way you wouldn't even know. Don't assume that as if a guy take you out for shopping and do this for you and do that for you, he can still do it to another girl. So all what you need to focus on is how he cherishes you. Value your words, okay? That is how you know if a man really loves you. Value your dreams. When I talk about value everything that makes you happy, not the one that want to change you to make you. No, don't want to focus on what you love the most. That is not a good one for you. So that's the only way you can know if he really values you and loves you. So guys, I don't want to take this video so long. I hope the video was really helpful to someone out there that has been asking this question to herself, because I always ask the question to myself. Before my friend even mentioned it to me, I asked it to myself, but finally I got the answer. So I said, let me share with you. So I hope the video is helpful to someone out there. And if you like the video, please do not forget to give the video a thumbs up, and please subscribe down below if you are new here. If it's your first time stopping by my channel, I'm called Anurus. Subscribe down to my channel, and please help me and share the video, because I know there are so many ladies out there asking this question to yourself: how do I know he really loves me? How do I know he really values me? But my dear, all the answers is within you. All the questions to your answers are within you. Okay, you just need to open your eyes and see it in the man. See it in the man to know if he really loves you and values you. Okay, so I think that will be all about the video for today. Please do not forget to help me and share the video out there, because I know it's gonna help someone out there. I love you also very much. I definitely will see you in my next video. Until then, bye, and I love you. Peace out.